Waiting. Yep.
Too good. Not sure anyone is going to cut that off.
Nothing really wrong with the delivery. Got onto the front foot and found the space to get that one to the boundary.
Super piece of timing.
Managed to get onto the front foot early and just incredible power to loft that one over the boundary.
It can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes you just got to accept it and move on. Great timing, right off the meat of the bat.
Well, that was just textbook. Finds the space and power to lift that ball over the top, and it just keeps going.
Great shot, at least one on offer. A brilliant over for the batting side. Not...
Wait.
Quick onto that in the infield. Super shot.
Well, a lovely shot. Really good timing. Out of the middle, and it raced to the boundary.
Wow, that's missed the lot.
Yes, well bowled.
A bit of frustration after that shot. Went after it, but just couldn't lay a bat on it.
Wait on.
End of the over. The batting side are now 3 for 89.
That's right out of the middle of the bat.
Tried to take the pace off by rolling the fingers across the seam. It's a great shot. Didn't take a lot of effort to get it away.
Tried for something a bit different the last ball. The captain shouldn't mind that. If they get it right, they might just get the wicket.
Yep.
Nice shot. Runs
Ball
possible.
Exquisitely down the front foot. A gorgeous looking drive. Could have been worth more.
Wait on.
Doesn't beat the infield.
Wait. Yep.
Well placed. Should
Yeah,
get a
ball.
single.
Got forward and was able to drive the ball.
Rampal from the university end.
Wait.
Struck it nicely. Could go to the boundary.
Well, it was hammered away, timed perfectly and placed into the gap.
Don't mind getting hit for runs. What's important is to focus on getting the next ball right.
Wait there.
Can't get that outside the ring field.
Wait on.
Not a great delivery, got it full and lucky not to be hit to the boundary.
Drives and misses everything.
Great nut.
Rampal with a superb delivery. Got them trying to drive, but messing everything up.
Wait there.
Another really good over comes to an end. The batters just haven't been able to cut.
Wide on. Yep.
Brilliant shot, that.
Well, that was a really solid shot. Read the length early to get onto the front foot, and that raced away for 4.
Fall through the offside. Easy as you like.
Batting side
That little bit of room, and you see how quickly the ball races away to the boundary. Really good bat.
Catch.
Right out of the textbook, off the middle, and it flew to the boundary.
Do they go full? Do they go short? A lot to ponder after the boundary.
Yes.
Really good shot there.
Straight through the line of the ball, right out of the middle of the bat.
Back-to-back boundaries. The bowler will be searching for something now. Just a dot ball or two to settle things down. Finds the fielder with that shot.
Right there. Yep.
Power and precision in that shot.
the batsman brings up their half century.
That's an amazing half century. Just mammoth stroke making and just an impressive stint at the crease so far.
The right-arm medium bowler is coming on to bowl.
Right, yep.
Great shot.
You can't fault that shot. Nicely played, and it was 4 runs all the way.
I'd like to see them aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms. Misses
Yeah,
everything.
good ball, eh?
Well, they never really got in the right position for the drive for that one. A bit of a loose shot in my reckoning.
Yes.
They'll get at least one.
Bowler.
Got forward well and was able to drive.
Catch.
That's gone all the way, right out of the middle.
That was seen so early. The timing was brilliant, and that has stayed hit. Fantastic.
Yep.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here. That's the end of a very good over. Good pressure being put on the batters.
141.
Yep.
They've picked the gap. Perfect timing.
Those runs bring up the 50 partnership. between
Built some
these
momentum
two.
for the team with this 50 partnership. The team will be hoping now it can contribute to a very strong total.
Zafar has got the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits.
Misses out there on the short and wide one.
Yes. Well.
Not a great shot in the end. Practices the shot again. Just need to keep their head down now.
Got that away nicely.
Found the middle of the bat. Great timing. Lovely front foot shot that has raced to the boundary.
They shouldn't get too discouraged with that last ball. The first step as a bowler is to get the batter playing, which they've managed. If they can find the
Yes.
right spot, the reward will eventually come.
There was trouble for a moment, but these two are...
Yeah, mate. Bowler. Yeah, mate.
Perfectly timed.
End
Now
of
that
the
was
over.
beautifully
Batting
struck with a
side are
perfect
now
straight bat.
For 156.
The right-arm medium bowler is coming into the attack from the university end.
Too much room given. It came onto the bat really well, and a beautiful shot that just raced away.
Yep.
Great shot, but it's not going to beat the fielder.
Well, he can't fault that shot. Nicely played, and it was 4 runs all the way.
What else do they have in their bag of tricks? Not much seems to be working at the moment.
Yes.
Well timed, but there's a fielder out there.
That is a masterclass of batting. Reads the length, gets forward, and dispatches it to the boundary. A lovely shorter ball, just keeping them honest. Still got a chance to use another one this over.
Wait on.
Straight to the fielder.
Wait.
No runs on that occasion. Got into position not...
Yep.
Nice timing, good batting, won't get to the boundary.
That went all the way up toward the grandstand for 4, driven away nicely.
That last ball isn't something you'd want to see a repeat of. You don't want to be giving easy runs away.
Yeah, mate.
Good shot, it's found the gap.
You could see by how it whistled away to the boundary just how sweetly this was timed.
Waiting. Yes.
There'll be 1 run here for them.
That single is just edging the score.
We've seen good control and spin from this bowler. Looking forward to seeing what they can do here.
Zafar shakes their head. It was there to hit. Couldn't make the most of it.
Wait there. Yep. Keeper.
That single brings them even closer to their 100. Looking...
Well, that was just an awesome delivery. Whiz past the batsman. The umpire says that's the first of 2.
Yes.
Zafar is now just 1 away.
Yeah,
Nice solid
go
defensive
nut.
shot.
Short and wide, did well to get some bat on that.
Yep.
The batsman brings up their century.
A century full of brilliance. They've been so composed.